Follow these steps to fix Do Not Disturb not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now, navigate to the option Focus. Now click on the option Do Not Disturb. Now click on the option People. Check in for the option Silence Notifications From. Click on Add. Now your contact list will appear. Now go ahead and select the contacts from whom you don't want to get notifications. Then you can head back, navigate to the option of Apps, check in for the option Silence Notifications From. Now select the apps whose notification you want to avoid. Click on Done. Now you can head back. Now you can launch your control center. Navigate to the option Focus. Now click on the option Do Not Disturb. After it turns purple, you have just enabled it. In case it is not working, what you have to do is head back. Now navigate to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, click on Reset All Settings, then go through the process. So this way you can easily fix Do Not Disturb not working on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.